This model kit review is of the F-100D, and it's the Thunderbirds version. It's a 1/48 scale model by ESCI, and don't see any other pictures there. So let's have a look inside the box. If we can get it open. This is an older model kit in a modeling style. These sprues, sometimes the plastic is really old as well. We already have some loose pieces. Let's have a look. Here's our fuselage. We have raised panel and rivet lines. It's typical for some of these older model kits. Here's our tail, which is molded as one piece. We do need to have the rudder put on there. And here's our engine exhausts, stabilizer, elevator. Looks like we're probably going to have some ailerons there. Here we have our fuel tanks. And here's our other piece. Wheels. We have some little mold lines here with some detail. A lot of surface detail here on the wings. And here's our nose wheels. And no detail on the inside of this wheel well. Here's our cockpits. Looks quite large. The nose wheel well. Some detail there. Looks like here's our nose gun. And our pylons. And some other parts inside. This might be part of the wheel well. We'll have to check the instructions. Here's our seat, wheel well covers, air intake, and here's our canopy, low edge of the canopy. Here's the other wheel and our canopy. So look at decals here. Do have some decals for our instrument panel. There's the decals are very good quality. And next is our instructions. So here we have building the fuselage with the cockpits. And the wings then go together, along with the ailerons and tail. Exhaust is put on, air intake, and nose parts of the fuselage. Then all the landing gear parts, air brake, and wheel well covers are put on. Seems simple enough. Here's the painting and decal guide. And here are the colors needed. So, all in all, some really good decals. We have some details here on the inside. Molding quality is okay.